Hello guys, welcome to Starting and Building a Career in Cybersecurity. I'm John Paul Tahiu, your tutor for this course, and I'll be taking us on the practical aspect of cybersecurity. Um, so far I've walked us through the career path in cybersecurity, what cybersecurity is, and what career path entails, the skills required in different career paths, and all that. So today I'm gonna take us through the interesting part of cybersecurity. We're gonna download two applications, the Oracle VirtualBox and the Linux machine. And as a beginner, you need a VirtualBox to run every cybersecurity operations you required to do because it's safe. It will not harm any system or network you be carrying out analysis on, and it will also be safe for you even for your own local machine they're using because virtual machine it's more like a safe house, a safe box that whatever penetration or attacks you carry out on the network will not disrupt the service, will not crash the system or domain or the network, and it will not hinder any operations, smooth operations on any network. So it's required as a beginner, intermediate, even as an advanced cybersecurity expert to always imbibe the culture of using virtual machines for your cybersecurity practices. All right. So go on your local browser, whatever you're using. All right. So you search for virtualbox.org. Pardon me. Let me expand this window. Let me check my network connection. All right, it's active. So a pop-up page will open and you will see the download. Of course, the navigation bar. You click on your download in the VirtualBox page. All right, it will require us to select the platforms we're going to use the VirtualBox in. If you are using Windows or Mac OS or the Linux distribution, you are expected to click on any of this based on your operating system requirement. And so because I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on Windows. So once you click on Windows, a download will start here. Because I already have it installed on my local machine, I will not need to download it again. So because you don't have it, you go ahead and download the VirtualBox, and it's just a normal way of installing every application on the system. Just click yes, 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 finish install, and that will be it. So you also go to the same web browser, your search engine, click on Kali Linux. After you've installed your VirtualBox on your whatever, either Mac OS, Linux distribution operating system or Windows, you still search for Kali Linux. And the first link, as you can see, kalilinux.org, you click on that link, wait for it while it loads, and then the same as VirtualBox, you click on your download. All right, and you choose your platform as well. The image installer images, virtual machines. Kali Linux works on mobile phone now in the cloud. So you, because we're downloading Kali Linux on virtual machines, it's even recommended. So you now click on your VirtualBox because we're using the VirtualBox, Kali Linux and VirtualBox. So VMware Hyper VMware, and then click on VirtualBox, and then for you to load, this will run about 3.2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes. So you need a lot of data to be able to download the Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. So because I have it, I'll not download it with you. So what I would like you to do is to go ahead and click on this. It will download, and for you to note, you won't install it. You won't run the installation on your Windows operating system. You won't install it like you install VirtualBox. You download it and leave it on your download. All right. Then you opt out of that browser and come, because once your VirtualBox downloaded, as you can see, it's on my desktop. You can click it. All right. Then you have this page. So once you open your VirtualBox, this is a page you see, and this is where you install your Kali Linux. You're not installing it on your Windows, you're installing it on the VirtualBox. All right. And we have these options. You go to new, and then this is where you create your the name of your machine, the Kali Linux machine you can use. So let's use you can use any name, but ideally, since you want to identify it, because you have different machines you install on this virtual, but you can install Windows 7, 10, and all that, even Windows 11. So you name it accordingly for easy identification. So we use Kali Linux. All right. We can even say Kali Linux 2025. All right. We didn't select any iOS image. So what is the type? It's, you can see whatever machine you're gonna download, you're gonna see it here. So we have Linux, Linux version. That's we now subtype. Now you're going to use Debian because the Kali is built on Debian distribution. So you're gonna use click on Debian, not um any of this, not Fedora, not Mandriva, and all those things. So you click on Debian, and then it automatically assume Debian 64 bits. All right, I hope you're following. Then you go on your hard disk. Based on your hard disk space, recommend a saving. We can use 1048 or 1025, whatever. But if you have a bigger disk size, you can check the 2084. So that will be it. Then um create a virtual hard disk now. You can use an existing hard disk file. Do not add a virtual hard disk. So we're gonna click uh, on radio button, the create a virtual hard disk now. All right, and yeah, we can leave it at 20 gigabyte. So based on the disk size, you can reduce it, but let's leave it at 20. Then all right, click on finish. So at least we have named Linux, disk size, disk space. Then we're going to go on settings. You can see my cursor on settings. Then you go on storage. Well, in VirtualBox, you can go on. I think this is good. Go on storage. Then, of course, you can see that Linux 2025 is here. Now, on this empty icon, so you can see my cursor here. Click on this, and then click on the Linux that you have already downloaded. You will see it here. The Linux you download, you see the installer, because it's a Linux installer. Once you install it, you see all the Linux components there. So we click on this. If you click on this, now you click on OK. All right. After that, you can start your Kali Linux. and this will guide through all the installation of the Kali Linux on your Oracle VirtualBox manager. Alright, so let's wait as it's load. Okay, you can see it's powering up the virtual machine. It's gonna take some time. Okay, it's now starting a Kali Linux. Alright, cancel that. You can see that graphical install. You click on enter. As we await, because we cancel this. So now this page opens. So click on continue. It's asking you choose a language to be used for installation process. Uh, Basically, this for the country is English. Use United States. Use American English. Because running through the installation. Alright, this is gonna take a very long time. So you're just gonna click yes, 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 and it runs you through all the finishing install. Then after that, you just click on this. When it is, then it will show you to start your Kali Linux machine. So while we give it a little time to, as you can see, still loading. Now this is installing your Kali Linux machine on your VirtualBox. It's dictating the network hardware to use. And like I said, it's gonna take a couple of minutes. Alright, host name. You can of course pick whatever name you want to put. You can put Mr. Hacker. I use Khaleesi. So whatever name you can write it here for easy identification. Continue. Domain name, you don't need to put the domain name, leave it empty. Alright, full name of user. Yeah, let's put Khaleesi. Alright, nice. Khaleesi. Alright, then continue. Your password, you can choose any password that you don't forget. Make sure you put something you can easily remember. Alright, so I put my password. You can go ahead and put your own password. Alright, pick central to configure my clock to the region I've picked. Okay, guided use entire disk. That's what we're gonna use. You can see use entire disk instead of LVM, encrypt LVM. So we're gonna use entire disk. Continue, because you're gonna click on continue still. Still gonna click on continue. Yeah, finish partitioning changes to hard disk. Still gonna click continue. Like I said, this will be yes, yes. To be the radio button, yes, yes, all true. Okay, installing the base system is going to take a very long time. But then as it goes, click on yes, 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 all true till the finish. And because it's going to take a long time, up to like about 30 minutes. And so because of the duration of this video, I will not take us to that long. So once you click on yes, 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 it will finish your installation. And once you start, click on this start, because this will show start. After running this, you will be able to have your Kali Linux starting and running. All right.